going to go through a quick loadout of what I have in my pockets. This phone is just a dummy phone. I'm actually using my phone to record right now. So this is one of my old phones. It's a little bit smaller than my iPhone 16 Pro. My iPhone 16 Pro is in a mouse case, so it's not a super small case. It fits in here. What you just saw me do, it works with that. Now, I did have to get into a little bit of a technique to get it into the interior pocket, this interior phone pocket, which I do like keeping it in there. So I kind of grip here and pull up on it, and I can do that without even looking at it, and that works pretty well. Currently, I'm putting my wallet inside of the RFID blocking pocket here. So that is a wallet that I use, and I do have my keys set up and hooked up to the keychain. This is one thing that I think could be a concern. I'm going to show my Tropiformer. One of my Tropiformers has a tiny little hole in it. I think because of the thinness of the fabric, you can end up having these keys. If you have keys in this pocket, it can be a friction point for if your vest rubs up on something,